Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool that is available called ZIK Analytics. Now, you want to empower your business with smart insights, then you come to the right place, because we're going to go in great detail and talk about exactly what ZIK Analytics is all about and how you can harness this tool and use it in your favor and scale your business to heights that it's never known before. And if you're an individual that are just starting off, you need to make sure that you have the proper tools to find the proper products to sell on your eBay stores to ensure you can actually win and find the winning products to give to your customers. You can join over 100,000 sellers that have started to grow their eBay business with ZIK Analytics. Now, how does this sound, guys? Do you try to list as many products in the hope to find some of them might sell? And do you upload random products based on hunches and gut feelings? And do you get the prices based on other sellers and their instincts? And do you copy other sellers' titles and hope buyers find your product? The result is gonna be very bad, and that is something that you should not do. And that is the reason why we make all these amazing videos which are available on our channel to give you the right methodology, the right strategy to give you a chance to really make sure that you can earn a healthy profit. So one of the major things with ZIK Analytics is the fact that it removes the guesswork from your product research, and you can use the sales data to grow your eBay store even faster. You can even understand the profitability of every single niche. And this is something that you need to understand, guys, because the dynamics by which an organization actually grows is based on the fundamental understanding of what research is. And if you're able to find the right product, and if you can get the right support to help you find the right product, you'll be able to scale your business considerably faster. And with our help and with following ZIK Analytics step by step, you can ensure that you set yourself upon the right path of getting as much profit and as much business as possible. And once you understand the profitability and the dynamics and the limitations of every single niche, you will ensure yourself that you position yourself into a place where you can actually grow your business from a strong position. You can uncover hot products, and you can set the right prices and build the titles that attract the buyers. Now, if you see a product or a niche that has demand and is likely to be profitable before listing, you can check the demand, you can check the supply, you can check the competition statistics, and you can discover if the product is gonna be able to sell or not, and then make as much profit as possible while at the same time maximizing your sales by examining the price analytics data that is provided by ZIK Analytics. And guys, when you have those kind of tools at your disposal, you will have the peace of mind that you're always on the right track and you understand exactly what buyers are searching for and bringing them your listing using the keyword data, which is crucial. The search engine optimization is the cornerstone for success for every organization. If you don't understand the methodology when it comes to search engine optimization, you would put yourself in a corner and will not be able to grow your business and scale your business and effectively implement strategies that are both scalable and actually implementable at the same time. With 100,000 eBay sellers that have been helped and that are using ZIK Analytics have been very satisfied with the results that they've gotten, with 100 million plus products to search from and 750 million sales generated with ZIK. It is faster, it is easier, and more profitable. Now, there's a lot of problems when you search manually while using ZIK Analytics. You'll have workflow, speed, skill, profitability, and products. But with using ZIK Analytics, you can find a user-friendly interface. You can get the automated tools. You can grow your store faster. You can uncover low competition, high demand, and high profit products. And you can get products that are backed by the sales data, so they're likely to sell. And obviously, once you compare the elements of the cutting-edge eBay product research software that literally analyzes thousands of listings, you can find profitable items to start selling on eBay and rank your products higher than your competitors and discover the best item categories and keywords that are fast, accurate, and actionable. And they provide the resources and the training to make you a success on eBay. And I personally feel that literally is one of the best things that you could come across in any platform. A platform that provides you the tool, that provides you the training, that provides you the tips, that provides you the strategy, that provides you the courses, is a platform that is going to take care of you. And you can access their free online course that teaches you how to find hot products that grow your eBay business. And their live chat support is available to answer any questions that you have and support you as you start selling. And you can learn everything that you need to sell on eBay from hundreds of hours of YouTube videos and training webinars. Now, the products that they have is available over here. You have the eBay market research, which is my personal favorite. And the reason why it's my favorite, because you can scan competitors for product ideas and uncover hot item categories and rank your products on the first page. You can build your eBay business with the tools and find millions of hot products very quickly. You can learn from sellers that dominate the market, guys, and discover the best-selling item categories and rank your products higher than your competitors. And obviously, with a 50% off all on the plans, you can get the Pro, which provides professional research tools for making data-driven business decisions at $14.99 per month for the first month. And you get the product research, you get competitor research, you get category research, and you get title builder as well as item finder for the Pro that provides a big data and automation for increasing the market sale to the next level. You can get it at $29.99 for the first month. And the Enterprise, which provides a complete automation and maximum data to capture all possible opportunities, that's $44.99 per month. It is that simple and easy, guys. And if you want to use AliExpress market research, you can do that as well. And with the AliExpress market research, I personally feel it gives you an ability to uncover the AliExpress hot products for your store. You can type the name of any item into the product research tool, find the opportunities on AliExpress, and filter by price, rating, votes, shipping methods for sales. And if you're looking for a sell a product on eBay, you can compare how the item is selling in just a click. And once you have found a hot item, guys, you can filter through the other items the supplier is selling to find more products to fill your store with. You can see the data on how the supplier is performing and discover what's selling well and get more product ideas for your store. And then you can decide whether to sell a product with confidence. And by using the AliExpress product analyzer, guys, to see the latest selling trends and seasonality of your product, you can quickly decide if a supplier is trustworthy by viewing their selling ratings, revenue, and how long they have been around. And with this, you get the same elements of $14.99 for the Pro for the first month, $29.99 per month for the first month for the Pro Plus, and the Enterprise is going to be at $44 per month for the first month. Now, the solutions that you want to make sure that you go through is the fact that if you say that you're a drop shipper, they give you the different items that are available so you can scale faster and unleash a stream of consistent sales and build a drop shipping business that works for you. You can transform your drop shipping dream into a reality, guys, and ZIK Analytics will get you where you need to be. And obviously, from consistent sales, hot products in minutes, and high profitable products that are going to give you the ability to scale faster with their simple and easy to learn dropship formula. You can find successful dropshippers, you can analyze their stores and snip their winning products, which help you accelerate your growth with their eBay automation tools. By analyzing your competitors and learning how to crush them, it will give you a chance to look at different methodologies that are available. And that is one of the reasons I make these videos, to give you the instant ability to look at and understand what you need to get and how you need to get it. And by using ZIK Analytics, a tool that will literally scale, support, assist you, and help you develop a successful business model as a dropshipper. Now, if you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out about ZIK Analytics. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.